It's a sea bass day. I'm excited. So sea bass likes to stay basic, not so many spices. So I just put salt. And today we're going to use this everything but the elote. Somebody corrected me. Sorry, I was pronounced this as elote. Okay, so we're gonna use some here. This adds like a whole bunch of flavor. And I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper and that will be it. Fast, we're going to have some veggies. These were steamed. We're gonna use this glaze on the veggies, just a tiny bit with some olive oil, and that'll be all set. This nice plate is ready. I squeezed some lemon on top of the sea bass. We have the veggies that were steamed. Okay, everybody's gonna try and tell me what she likes it. Right. I know, it tastes wonderful.